guys, another episode of me trying to get this Lamborghini kit car on the road. I gotta have a little rant at the moment because it really gets to me when you go on some page on the internet and they say, oh yeah, we got this in stock, so yeah, you order it and you pay for it, and then the next day they email you back saying, sorry, currently out of stock, would you like your money back because we can't get it for 2 months. And I'm like, really? 2 months? Really? And you haven't advertised it out of stock? I mean, come on people, it's not hard, is it? You know, to run a bloody website. Jesus, or keep parts in stock, you know what I mean? If you got one in stock, one goes out, order another one. So yeah, I'm kind of waiting for parts. That's my kind of little rant over. But I have had some good stuff in the post. I've had radiators. Whew, got them bad boys. So we got 2 of these, twin or quad core or whatever they are, and they are going to be mounted by here. Somehow I got the same with the radiator, the fans that come with them. They were the same. So I can't put the fans on them. They're on their way. So we're going to try and mount these radiators today. I'm going to take some measurements of the shell to see where the openings are, because what I was hoping to do was channel, because the vents by here, is channel the wind going in and then channel the wind going back out, because you've got like an in and exit port on that, on the shell. Which I thought, well, let's make use of it, is it? Instead of the wind blowing in and just being all turbulent in the back and then coming out. So we're going to build some sides as well to channel the air in and out. I'm going to section a bit off because this got to come off. I got to make a custom one of them, and that's going to be coming over here. And then this side pod that comes in, I'm going to separate it. So half of it will be cold air for the intake, and well, not half, say maybe 80%, and then the other bit for the radiator. So we've got to do that as well, and just a couple of other bits and bobs that I've ordered. They should have been in, and it's just a nightmare, you know what I mean? Quality control and all that bollocks. So yeah, I mean, if you don't see, I'd like to put out a video once a week, but with work as well, that's quite hard, and ordering these parts and they're not coming in and they're pulling me behind. So obviously you guys don't get a video every week, so I'm trying my best. And like I say, if I haven't put a video out for the week, please keep waiting for one, because one will come out, because we still got quite a bit to go on this car. And yeah, let's get to it. These bad boys. Oh my god, it's like Christmas early. Oof, nice and shiny, all aluminium. Oh, they are nice. They are nice, man. So I suppose it's going to be this way, like this somehow. So we'll have to go out and measure. We've got tidy mounting holes. I'll have to check my parts department. Do you have one of these parts department? Hell, let's have a look. Oh, what was the odds of that? Tidy. So I got hardware. Lovely. Obviously our pipe is slightly bigger, so we are still waiting for them parts to come off here, and they're not exactly what I wanted, but they were close enough to find what I wanted in the side I needed. It was quite hard. So I don't know how we're gonna do it. Something like that, I suppose. And then another one on the other side. There's the other one there. Cool, tidy. They're nice, isn't they? Yeah, I do like them. Okie dokie dokie. Right, well, we've measured how big that scoop is outside from here to here. Okay, so as long as we keep it roughly here in between them two marks and not above this bar, so if we keep it there at this angle, we should be good. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some brackets to go either side, and then we'll make another bracket then that comes off there and comes down. So let's get chopping some metal. Yeah, we got our side plates cut and ready. So all we're going to do now is mark out where those holes are going to be to mount it, and then go on to our drill press and drill them out. So that's our next thing. Okay, so we got our 4 plates and we got our holes marked out where we're going to drill them. So no further ado, let's drill these bad boys. Okay, one all down. Okay, there we have it. 4 lovely holes. Now we need our radiator. Ooh. Lovely jubbly. Okay, well, we got our brackets either side all bolted up, so we've got to try and figure out how we're going to get that on there. So that's our next thing, come up with our bracket. Come up with a bracket like that or something, and another one off the top. I don't know, that's what we've got to figure out next. Okay, well, we've temporarily got it tacked up how I kind of want it. It's all nice and square. I was originally going to have it tilted, and then I looked at the original countach, how theirs was straight. I know you can have it tilted, but it just makes it a lot easier if it's up straight with trying to get the air out the system and stuff like that. So we're going to keep ours straight. I did like them lean, but is what it is. Got to have it straight, so we'll have it straight. So quite happy with that. Yeah, the duck's going to catch that air and put it in there and then take it back out the other side. So aye, there we are. Just got to do the other side now, mark the other side up, and then go from there. Okay, right, well, I changed the mounting position of this radiator because I don't think I was going to get enough air through it, to be honest with you. So this is the outer cowl, and that's on the end mark. So now it should have enough to get through. So it was there, and we've moved it back quite a fair bit actually. We moved it back 130 mil. I'm a bit more happy because the entrance is going to come like that for the air, and then in and then back out. So now I've remounted that, I've reworked it. We're going to jump onto the other side and mount the other radiator. Okay, there we have it, boys and girls. One that side and one that side. Looking not too bad. So like I say, thanks for watching. I'm still waiting for lots and lots of parts to come in and give me a bit of a run around. So as I said at the beginning of the video, I'm a bit wound up and peed off, to be honest with you, with everybody. Like, you know, you order, you pay something, you expect to get it, and then for them to turn around and say that they haven't got it in stock while it's still listed in stock is testing my patience, to be honest with you. But there we are, never mind. On a good side, we're that much closer to being able to drive this. I'm going to try and do now is, because the winter's here and it's all it's doing is bloody raining, I'd like to get the shell on again, but we might have to see if we can get this engine started, which would be fun. Obviously in upcoming videos. I still got to make the petrol tank, so that maybe we could do that. So while I have a think about what's going to be next on the list to do, keep watching. Thanks for all the new subscribers. I love you all as usual. Please leave a message, tell me what you think, if I should do it different or it's looking good. I will reply to everybody, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode. Cheers guys and girls. Bye for now.